I took the axle out. This has 410s and an air locker in it. This one has 307s. I'm just going to stick it underneath this frame and basically make it so I can roll it around. Alright, so it is day 2. We're going to take out the front end and I'm going to put a donor axle underneath it that's bent but not broken in half so I can move this chassis around. I put the rear axle, a different donor rear axle underneath it so we can move the frame around because I still need the gears out of this and I need it to roll. But day 2, we did day 1, we got all that done like last week, I guess. So we're back working again. We've got still exactly like 24 days left to get this done. So hopefully we get her done. But cool. Go ahead and watch. I'm gonna have Lily start taking bolts out and we'll get this front end dropped. Well, hey guys, we got a lot done, but our battery died on our camera. So we got the donor axle installed under the car. So this is the first time it's ever set on its own wheels without a cart underneath the front end. So looks pretty good. It's just sitting in there. You can basically move this thing back and forth, and it's just hanging out. So at this point, we've got everything underneath buttoned up to remove the body. Now we need to work on the engine compartment. But before we start, this engine compartment is a mess. We might as well get it pressure washed, and that way we can evaluate things a little better and we're not getting so dirty when we're taking it apart. Let's get some of this main dust off and dirt and get it cleaned up. We'll get Lily cleaning on that. The engine compartment looks a whole lot better. A lot more cleaner. Since we're in the cleaning spirits, we need to clean out the inside of it. Looks pretty good. A lot of garbage in here, so we're going to clean this out, vacuum it, and probably remove the carpet in here. But for now, let's get it cleaned up and we'll see what we are working with. And then we need to start looking at taking the top off and where are we going to put the top. So we will get that going now. Top off, and now we got the inside, all the carpets out of it, a little bit of dirt, but we'll pressure wash this up here. So just been putting them up on the fence with some clamps and just pressure wash them. They look pretty much brand new. We'll let this set dry and then we'll do the next one and I'll show you how we've been doing them. So we got it all cleaned up, turned out good, the carpets turned out good. I think we're gonna end our day today and stay tuned for the next video, video 3. Cool. Thanks guys, hit subscribe.